The 2019 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab, 44,000 mile, one owner, clean CarFAx in white. Really nice truck here to get the job done, and it's in the new body style, as you can tell. Chevrolet changed the body style in 19. A little bit more angular in the front end. You can see this does have the blacked out Chevy grille. Kind of gives it some contrast with the chrome lower bumper fascia. It does have the halogen headlamps there with a little bit of a smoked pod. No fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. Continue around to the side standard, believe 18-inch alloy wheel. About half tread or so here on the Goodyear Duelers, or excuse me, Bridgestone Dueler tires. Also, if you look through there, you can see a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results for all the vehicles in the glove box of our cars. I'll show you that real quick. You can see we got the vinyl covered seats with the flooring as well, which is nice. So everything should just wipe right off really nicely. Almost has a leather type feel to it. Also, you can see it's otherwise an all charcoal on charcoal dash here. Let's just go ahead and take a peek at that report that I was speaking of, just to show you exact brake or tire depths. You can see 6s in the front, 7s in the rear. That's 3 times our minimum state requirement. Also, you can see all new brakes all the way around front and rear. Everything else has been checked off by the technician. We really do try to make sure that you get a lot of life here on these wearables. We wash them. We obviously do a state inspection, change the oil, and completely redo the wearables as needed. Now, this is a crew cab, so you're going to see very, very spacious rear seat area, all kinds of room. Again, you can see the linered floor. You got the flow through center console there, and we got the short box. See Bridgestone tires, no rust issues there on the undercarriage. Step bumper does have the tow hitch with the integrated 7-way round 4-way flat wiring. You can see full-size spare. Does have your backup camera. Does have the spray-in Chevy Silverado bed liner, as you can see there from factory. Continue around, matching tires. Give you a shot of the frame rail on this side. See no rust issues. A shot of the interior on this side. Very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. And then we'll give a look here through the driver's side front. Manual adjustment on all the seats. Just show you the key fob here. Does give you the locking tailgate release with the integrated keyless entry. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Jump up top. Wow, start the truck off, get you the exact miles, 44 and some change. I do want to show you the CarFAx here. You can see no accidents, one owner, clean CarFAx. Now over here we got your trailer control, electronic shift on fly 4-wheel drive transfer case, cargo light, dimmer switch for your interior, automatic headlamp control. Stem to the left, intermittent wiper washers, high beams, turn signals, have a console shift here with the ability to select any of the gears and multi-speed transmission. Got your cruise control right here, AM FM satellite radio, turn by turn on star nav, and ability to pair your phone. We also got your climate control there, trailer brake here. That's his trailer sway over here. I'm sorry, trailer brake over here. Does have the USB, does have 12-volt power supply. Two cup holders there, as you can see. In the center fold down armrest, so plenty of storage there. Of course, all GM vehicles have OnStar LED map lights. See the visor, no illumination. Looks like we got electronic parking brake, as you can see right there. Hood releases here. Should be a trusted and true 5.3 liter V8 engine here in this truck. There we go. See, it is clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the battery terminals. Looks like a new engine in there. Well-maintained pickup. Getting into the last portion of the vehicle, which is cosmetic appearance. I'll be your eyes and ears, show you any minor imperfections the vehicle may have. So we've already went over the history report. We've already went over the mechanical, everything we've done to get it ready for the lot. So the last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. This part usually goes pretty quick. We try to only buy clean vehicles. Don't have a lot of dings or dents, scrapes or otherwise. Little mark right there. See, the tailgate and the bed sides are good on this truck, which typically on a truck, that's where you're going to get your damage. Bumpers, tailgates, bed sides. Looks pretty good though. That's probably the worst of the damages. A couple little scratches and scrapes we touched up right there on that bed side. It's about the only thing I noticed. They touched it up well though. A couple little chips they touched up there. All in all though, pretty clean truck. No dings or dents in the lower chrome bumper fascia. The hood doesn't have any issues either. A couple little scrapes down there in the corner, but all in all, nice light new alternative. Does still have the powertrain warranty transferable from Chevrolet to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up on the web at www.allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.